Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Shelvington. My name is Andy and this is my model railway in a garage. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Subscription costs you absolutely nothing, but it will help other like-minded modelers find my videos, and it will also help my channel to grow. If you've already subscribed, thank you very much. In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about cat litter. I'll be making some dry stone walls, my own ballast, and some loads for a few of my wagons. Let's get started. The first thing I do is to sieve the litter into 3 different sizes. First we have the fine powder, that's these 2 here, very fine. The next one is, as I call it, is fine, which is a slightly coarser grade, which we'll use for the walls, which we'll come on to very shortly. And then this is all the stuff that's left over, the bigger lumps, the bigger clumps. These are used for wagon loads, or in fact its intended purpose for the cat in the cat litter. Cat litter is a great cheap alternative to use for your ballasting and your stone requirements. The version I've got here is a lightweight clay version. We'll start off by making some dry stone walls. To get the base structure of the wall, you can use pretty much anything you've got lying around. I use these scouring pads. These are really cheap, just a couple of dollars for a pack of 5 from the local supermarket. You can use cardboard. I've got some cardboard here that's just 3mm thick cardboard. Just cut to whatever size you like. This is 2 centimeters high, which gives you a reasonable size hedge on your layout. But you can use pretty much anything you like. So we'll just clear these out of the way and we'll make some walls. So this is the medium to coarse cat litter. So this is the scouring pad, and we'll just get some glue on here. Plenty of glue. Just normal PVA. I'm just going to brush just to move that around a little bit. Nice even coating. I'll put some more on. Plenty of glue. And then just lay that on the cat litter, press it down. There we go. One dry stone wall. We'll do some now with the cardboard. I'll show you the difference, how that appears. Again, we'll just put some, we'll just get some glue on the cardboard. Spread it around. Onto the layout, onto the stone, sorry. There we go, and again with more time and okay, you can just build these levels and these layers up. But you end up with a rather nice stone wall effect. Okay, we'll just clear this away now and we will talk briefly about the ballast. So to get the light grey colour, I've just mixed through the real fine cat litter just with some grey acrylic paint and a couple of dots of just water. That's the ended up looking quite well, looking quite nice. If you wanted it darker, obviously add more grey, or you can even add some black or whatever your colour, whatever you fancy really. And then if you wanted coal, this is just black added to the cat litter. Again, if you wanted it a bit lighter, add some white in there or some grey even, just to tone it down a bit. Or even a little bit of brown you could put through, just to add some depth and variation in colour, especially around your station or your depot type areas. And finally, I'll just show you a couple of wagons that I've done with the different loads. So this is a hopper wagon that's got the coal load in there. That's been glued in, so that won't come out. That works really well, quite effective, quite light. It's not added hardly any weight to the wagon at all. And the other wagon that I've got here, this has got the largest stone in, the larger cat litter I should say, just to give it the impression of bigger, chunkier stones. This is a live load, so it will come out. If you just tip it over, it will come out. Gives you the option of running the train with a load or without. As I said at the beginning of the video, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel. It will help my channel grow and will get the message out to fellow modelers. So thank you again for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Goodbye.